Mold can be a serious problem for homeowners in Houston. At Predator Restoration, we know how quickly it can spread and cause damage. Let's talk about the top 5 signs of mold in your home and how to address them. Visible mold growth, black spots on walls, green patches, or white streaks on furniture are all clear signs. Don't wait, get it inspected and removed professionally. Unexplained allergy symptoms, frequent sneezing, coughing, or itchy eyes at home could mean mold spores are in the air. Take action before it worsens. Musty odor. A persistent musty smell is a strong indicator of hidden mold even if you can't see it. Water damage. Peeling paint, damp walls, or warped floors often lead to mold growth. Address water damage promptly to prevent mold. Poor ventilation rooms with little airflow like bathrooms or basements are prime spots for mold to thrive. Improve ventilation to keep mold at bay. If you suspect mold in your home, don't wait. Call Predator Restoration. We're local, reliable, and here 24/7 to restore your home. Reach us at 281-949-6629 or visit predatorrestoration.com with Predator Restoration. You can trust that your home is in safe hands.